Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and I got my brother Steve here, and we're going to be trying a beer that neither of us have ever tried a flavor of.
No.
And that is Martin House Brewing's Orange Cheese Popcorn Beer. I just hope it's better than their pickle beer.
Well, actually, it wasn't that bad. It was just, couldn't drink a lot of it.
So, like I said, we're going to be trying a beer that we have never had this style of flavor before. I have never heard of a cheese-flavored beer.
No.
Popcorn, well, it's just corn, so that's pretty common.
Yeah.
But that powdered cheesiness you get from that 3-pack of Christmas tins.
Yeah.
That's what this is supposed to be flavored like. I'm thinking macaroni and cheese, hazy.
I'm thinking, yeah, the powdered stuff, I'm going to guess.
I don't know what that's gonna do.
I don't know. I mean, I like cheese. I don't know if I want to drink cheese.
Yeah, is this like nacho or what?
As like the Cheese Whiz, you just pour in your mouth or something? I don't know. We'll find out.
We'll find out. Martin House Brewing's all-cheese popcorn tin comes in at a 7% ABV, a 13 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 2.18. Scary. Orange cheese popcorn beer, the best flavor of the three. Okay, orange popcorn cheese beer.
Yeah.
I'm kind of surprised on the color.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be more of an orange, deeper color.
I thought it'd be like a juicy, hazy
Yeah,
color.
like this.
You know,
It's kind of a caramel brown, like and not very clear, obviously.
yeah.
It does not smell great. It does not smell great.
What does that even smell like? It does not smell like cheese popcorn, I'll tell you. You know, even like a fresh tin of popcorn smells like a fart, but
You know that smell of like your refrigerator after the power's been out for a day or two?
yes,
You open it up,
that is what this smells
that's
like.
what that smells like. Smell that it's getting
It's
there.
the wet dog equivalent of wet food.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Okay, let's give it a shot. Whoa.
God. Oh, that there. Oh man,
Oh,
it gets worse.
I don't
Oh God.
I don't get the cheese popcorn. I mean, maybe. I don't know.
Oh,
Maybe we actually had some cheese popcorn to compare and contrast, because I don't remember. This is not good.
this is not good at all. How did you go for a second one?
I had to make sure I hate it.
It lingers on my tongue so horrible.
It does. The flavor evolves worse.
Yes, it does. Like when you first have it, that first second, you're like, okay, it's not bad, and you're like, oh.
No. Yeah, this is something you want to serve your worst enemy.
This is something you want to serve your worst enemy.
Oh,
This is
man.
this is not good stuff.
This is
Yeah,
horrible.
it tastes like something went bad here.
Yeah. I wonder if this is supposed to be like served fresh.
We did notice that this was an old can.
Yeah. Okay. When we say old, canned 11/18/20.
Yeah.
So this is
2-year-old.
this is some aged cheddar.
This is aged cheddar. Yeah, definitely aged. Yeah, I don't. 2 sips was enough, I think, for me.
Oh man.
I'm done with it.
God, that is
It is not good.
it tastes like a spoiled beer.
I kind of think, because it is a weird flavor, so I don't know if it's spoiled, but it does kind of taste like it's spoiled. We'll find out if I die.
I got it.
Botulinum flavored beer. is
Although
what
it's
this
like it's not like a pickled flavored beer. I mentally am like, oh, I could drink probably more than this. I can stomach it, and it's not salty.
is. No.
It's stale, like stale popcorn.
Yeah. It definitely has
Not
that.
cheese.
This doesn't taste like cheese. Yeah, no, it is really bad.
It's like bad onion soup.
Yeah, you know, I think I kind of get that. A bad French onion soup.
Yeah, bad French onion soup is exactly what I was thinking.
I can see that. Yeah.
Oh God.
Oh, no, it is not. It is not worth it.
This is not one of the worst. Yeah. If you're looking for one of the worst beers ever, I have to say, we've been saying this about Martin House Brewing for every one of their beers. They hit the nail on the head of flavor profile. They missed by a mile.
On this one, again, to be fair, it is an old can. It could have gone bad. I don't know what it tastes like fresh. But yeah, for cellaring, do not cellar cheese beers. A word of warning. Not even the Parmesan flavor
Not even
ones.
the Parmesan flavor ones.
Yeah, no.
Not even the Goudas, the
No.
cheddars, the
No.
blue cheese.
No.
Maybe this is supposed to be blue cheese.
Oh God, no! It doesn't even have that nice funkiness that a blue cheese has. It doesn't even have that.
See, this is not even a sour. See, maybe if they went with like a blue cheese sour, they'd be like, oh, look.
Yeah, it's
there
like
you
it's
go.
already soured.
Blue cheese mushroom sour.
Oh God.
All right, well, one last one.
All right, one more.
Oh, that gets worse.
Oh, that is putrid.
Oh God.
I don't know why I went for more. Yeah.
We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on all the social media stuff that I have. The links will be at the very bottom of the description. Have you ever had any dairy cheese themed beer that is, I guess, I don't think this is lactose intolerant. I bet there's actual lactose in.
Might be.
I don't
have no
know.
idea.
No lactose sugar, I'll tell you that. You ever have anything like this flavor of a beer? Let me know in the comments below. See you guys.
See ya.
That is horrible.
That was. I don't even want to try mixing it with the
I don't
mustard
know.
here.
That would be tarnishing the good
I
name
know.
of that relish pickle beer.